Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to crop canvas. So I will create new file here and you can draw like a rectangle object. And if you want to crop this canvas, you can go to the edit menu, click canvas size. And we have these vertex tools. You can click hold to crop. Like I will move into here and then move to the top. If you're done, you can click OK to crop the canvas size. We're waiting and it will be cropping the canvas. Okay, you can go to edit menu, use the canvas size, and then I will crop to here. And then click OK to crop the canvas. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to crop canvas.